I would again request RD sir to please welcome Shri Vikas Mitra General Manager Nabat. It's my pleasure to request RD sir again to please welcome Shri Arif Kumar Sharma, DGM Secretary. Thank you so much, sir. इस कार्यक्रम में आगे बढ़ने से पहले इस महत्वपूर्ण आयोजन की शुरुआत हम दिव्य आशीर्वाद और दीप प्रज्वलन से करेंगे, जो कि ज्ञान, विकास और समृद्धि के प्रकाश का प्रतीक है. I request our esteemed guests to please join us for lighting the lamp ceremony. As we light the lamp, we mark the beginning of the Financial Literacy Week 2025 and a brighter future to work towards empowering individuals, fostering financial inclusion and financial literacy. I again thank our esteemed dignitaries for gracing us with their presence and lighting the lamp. With that, let us officially begin the event. I would like to share a timeless Sanskrit quote which sets the tone for the day. Arthasya Moolam Rajyam, which means the root of prosperity of any state or individual is wise financial management. This ancient wisdom highlights the significance of financial literacy, which calls for empowering individuals with the knowledge and understanding of various financial concepts, so that they can make smart decisions about handling their money. Since 2016, Reserve Bank of India, Jammu, and otherwise Reserve Bank of India all over the India has been annually observing Financial Literacy Week, focusing on diverse themes to promote awareness and education of financial matters. This year, Financial Literacy Week 2025 is centered around the theme Financial Literacy, Women's Prosperity, अर्थात वित्तीय समझदारी समृद्ध नारी. To shed more light on this topic and to deliver the welcome address, I would like to invite Shri Neeraj Kumar, General Manager, Reserve Bank of India, Jammu, to the dais. Please, sir. Please give a round of applause to sir.
Good morning, everybody, and honorable dignitaries on dais, Sri Santamanu, Additional Chief Secretary, Sri Chandrasekhar Raja, Regional Director RBI, Sri Sudhir Gupta, AD JNK Bank, Sri Anil Kumar Sharma, DGM Secretary, senior officers of banks, nodal officers of banks, principals of colleges, media personnel, and my colleagues. It is now well established fact that financial inclusion is a key enabler for sustainable development. It improves the quality of lives of poor and marginalized section of the society and thus helps in achieving the goals of sustainable and inclusive growth for all. Financial literacy is a very important component of financial inclusion. It is recognized as an important pillar for achieving the broad objective of financial inclusion. It is one of the 5 strategic pillars of national strategy for financial inclusion. Financial literacy initiatives work on demand side, encouraging the customers to develop a good saving behavior, encouraging participation in financial markets, developing credit discipline, improving better uses of digital products and managing risk at various stages of life. These initiatives enable the customers to make sound financial decisions, resulting in financial well-being of the customers. Financial Literacy Week, as my colleague Amandeep Kaur told, is being observed by RBI on all India level. It has entered the 10th year, and it is adding significance to the 90th year of Reserve Bank of India. Every year, different things are being adopted for this Financial Literacy Week, and this year the theme is very apt, and the theme is Financial Literacy, Women Prosperity. It highlights the pivotal role of financial knowledge for women to build a secure and economic growth, secure future and economic growth. With better financial awareness, women can help themselves and their families to come out of poverty, not only to come out of poverty, but remain out of poverty also. It is about strengthening the families, society, and our national economy. If we look at the data, we talk in terms of data, the population of India is expected to reach 152.2 crore, and female percentage is expected to be around 48.8% of the population. Again, in terms of another set of data, if we look at the data of PMJDY accounts, there were around 53.13 PMJDY accounts as on August 14, 2024, and out of which 55.6% PMJDY account holders are women. And very interesting fact, if somebody would have seen the governor's speech today in the morning, around 59% of the balances in these accounts belong to women. This data highlights the importance of the theme of this year, making financial literacy of women absolutely necessary for stability, integrity, and equitable growth. Our discussion and activities throughout this week will be guided by the three crucial sub-themes, namely homemakers, working women, and women entrepreneurs. These financial literacy initiatives are optimized with multi-stakeholder approach, and we have with us UT government, major banks, NABARD, media houses, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the stakeholders involved not only this week, but in the financial inclusion at large. It is their dedication which has made this event a success. Your unwavering support ensures that the financial literacy continues to be a priority for all, especially for women who stand to benefit immensely from the right financial knowledge and opportunities. Once again, I take this opportunity to welcome you all and look forward to an enriching and productive Financial Literacy Week 2025. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such insightful welcome remarks and introduction to this event. As earners, as entrepreneurs, as caregivers of the family, as mentioned by sir, a woman's financial education is crucial primarily for any family, state, and a country's holistic development. Without further ado, I would like to invite Shri Chandrasekhar Azad sir, Regional Director RBI Jammu, to enlighten all of us with his inaugural address and insightful thought for today's event. Please, sir. Please welcome sir with a round of applause.
Financial Commissioner, Additional Chief Secretary, Higher Education Department, Sri Shantamani ji, Executive Director, JK Bank, Sri Gupta ji, GM NABARD, Conveners of UTLBC, JNK and Ladakh, Senior Officers of RBI, Senior Bankers, Associates and Coordinators of Center for Financial Literacy, Nodal Officers of various banks, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all to this Financial Literacy Week inaugural event. I'd like to start by quoting a recent survey by the newspaper, which revealed that 50% of Indian shoppers are choosing to consume now rather than focus on long-term financial planning. Therefore, there is a need to instill the idea of financial planning, budgeting, and saving amongst the people for ensuring financial discipline. Financial literacy empowers people with the knowledge and skills, understanding of various financial concepts, so that they can make informed choices about their money, utilize financial services appropriately. This also makes them aware of their rights as consumers of financial products and services. As the financial landscape evolves rapidly, the need for financial literacy and understanding the risks and rewards associated with making financial decisions has never been more crucial. See, enhancing financial literacy in India demands a multifaceted approach involving collaboration with the government, the financial institutions, non-profit organizations, and the private sector. It requires targeted educational programs, awareness campaigns, and innovative solutions that cater to the diverse needs of different demographic groups. On its part, RBI has adopted several measures to enhance the channels for disseminating financial literacy. It has promoted various public awareness campaigns such as RBI Kahta Hai with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as one of its brand ambassadors, and continues to create and update financial literacy content on its website. Today there is a substantial literature available on the RBI website. You may recollect that RBI last year had conducted All India Quiz on Financial Literacy for the college students as part of RBI's 90th year celebrations. In the UT of J&K and Ladakh, as high as 737 teams from 165 colleges registered for the quiz. Quiz witnessed participation from all 20 districts of UT of J&K and both the districts of UT of Ladakh. Out of these, 56 teams participated in the regional level round for the UT of J&K and Ladakh. The winner team, of course, progressed to a zonal round, which was held at Chandigarh. Apart from direct initiatives to promote awareness, Reserve Bank also collaborates with other stakeholders to increase financial literacy. The Center for Financial Literacy project, initiated in way back in 2017, is a shining example of this collaborative approach involving banks and NGOs with funding support from funds administered by NABARD as well as RBI. As on March 31, 2024, there are 2,406 Center for Financial Literacy centers are operational, covering blocks across the length and breadth of the country, of which 109 are in the UT of J&K and Ladakh. RBI has been observing Financial Literacy Week throughout the country every year since 2016, with a view to disseminating financial education messages on various important and relevant themes to the public. Financial Literacy Week 2025, this is marking 10th year edition of the initiative, is being observed from today till February 28 on the theme Financial Literacy Women's for Prosperity, as my previous speaker said, Vittiye Samajhdari Samved Binari. The intent is to prioritize financial literacy for women, considering their multifaceted role in the society. The campaign will cover topics such as risk diversification, responsible borrowing, maintaining a good credit score, and household budgeting, and will have special focus on homemakers, working women, and women entrepreneurs. Financial Literacy Week 2025 has just been inaugurated by Governor, around half an hour back. Governor Sri Sanjay Malhotra in Mumbai earlier today. All of us would agree that women play a crucial role in budgeting within households, as they often manage day-to-day finances, making purchase decisions, and ensure the financial well-being of their families. I have no hesitation in saying that they are better at effectively allocating resources to meet the diverse needs of their families. They often negotiate better with vendors and service providers to optimize the family's budget and maximize savings. I like to quote what Mahatma Gandhi said: if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate an entire family. When women are educated and financially literate, they serve as the primary educators within their family. During the course of the week, the Reserve Bank, in collaboration with banks and other stakeholders, will organize awareness programs and outreach activities across the country. These initiatives will also be sustained during the year to ensure a lasting impact. Through our joint efforts, we hope to amplify the importance of financial literacy for women and reach out to them on a widest possible scale. Together, let us work towards a future where everyone, including women, have the knowledge, skills, and opportunities to achieve their financial goals and aspirations. Thank you all once again. Thanks a lot for having patience.
Thank you so much, sir. Your remarks were truly informative and thought-provoking. As said by sir, by empowering all, especially women, with financial education, we can create a ripple effect that will benefit individuals, family, and a society as a whole. Now, I would like to invite Shri Sudhir Gupta, Executive Director, J&K Bank, to the stage for the address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. It is a pleasure to be here today as we celebrate the Financial Literacy Week 2025 as an initiative aimed at fostering financial awareness and inclusion. Financial literacy is more important today than ever given the deeper penetration of banking services and digital transformation of financial transactions. This year, under the guidance of Reserve Bank of India, we are focusing on a crucial theme: financial literacy, women's prosperity. Women constitute nearly half of the population and play a very vital role in shaping our household, businesses, and communities. When women are financially literate, they not only uplift themselves but also strengthen their families and society at large. Studies have shown that financially empowered women contribute to economic stability, reduce household vulnerabilities, and drive financial inclusion. However, despite progress, many women still face challenges such as limited access to financial resources, lack of awareness about banking products, and vulnerability to informal and exploiting credit sources. Addressing these issues through financial literacy is a step forward, achieving true financial and economic empowerment for the women. Effective financial planning is the foundation of the financial well-being, helping individuals manage their income, expenses, and investments wisely and ensuring their financial security. Women as key financial decision makers in households must be equipped with the knowledge to plan budgets, set financial goals, and take informed choices about their savings and investments. Educating women through various financial instruments, pension payments, insurance products can protect them from financial distress and enhance their long-term security. Access to credit is a crucial thing for entrepreneurship and economic self-reliance. Women entrepreneurs need awareness about the government schemes, bank loans, and microfinance opportunities that can help them to start the new businesses. Encouraging women to use formal banking channels rather than unregulated credit sources will prevent exploitation and ensure the financial security. Banks and financial institutions play a very important role in promoting financial literacy. Initiatives such as literacy camps, digital Sakhi programs, financial inclusion drives, they continue to reach women across urban and rural geographies. At the same time, digital literacy and cyber hygiene awareness must be integrated with the financial education, ensuring women can safely navigate through online banking and digital payments. Financial literacy is just not the understanding numbers, but it is about making informed financial decisions that will lead to a secure and a prosperous life. By empowering women with the financial knowledge, we lay the foundation of stronger families, resilient communities, and thriving economy. Let us work together to bridge the financial literacy gap and ensure that women have the tools and resources to needed to take control of their financial futures and ensure their requirements are catered. And empowered women is an empowered nation. So this is a message from our side. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
I'm really happy to be here with you. And although my designation itself says Financial Commissioner, although nothing to do with finance, that I'm called Financial Commissioner. But of course, my previous assignment was I was Additional Secretary and then Special Secretary and Financial Advisor in the Ministry of Food and Consumer Affairs. So that time I was handling a budget of 2.5 lakh crore rupees. That was the highest budget of the Government of India. And so really the ethic, the nuances and the intricacies of financial management was within my purview at that time. Then I got to know the details of all those. You know, this is, all of us know that it's very important, financial literacy. In fact, financial literacy is a part of total literacy. That's why today, these days, we call it total literacy. We equal to 3 hours reading, writing, arithmetic, but also about the environment, how to preserve our environment. And now for the today's theme, today's area of focus is financial literacy as well. And of course, with special attention towards the women, the ladies, the 50% of our society. In fact, many times we say that better half of the society. तो उस लिहाज से important है, but what is still I feel that all this literacy and all this education starts at home. All of us acknowledge that. And then, till recently, maybe it's 20, 30 years back, it was it's sort of understood that every issue regarding the financial management, the money management, should not be shared with the children. जनरली ऐसा ही होता था. घरों में जो है जब करके पेरेंट्स से क्लियरली बात करते थे फाइनेंसेस के बारे में. With the result that many children were ignorant, and उसमें फिर क्या होता था कि फरमाइश भी करते थे, which was beyond the reach of the, beyond the purview of, beyond the competence of the parents. But the time has come gradually, and उसमें मैं कहूँगा IT का बहुत बड़ा रोल, because of coming of IT, क्योंकि IT में next generation is more IT, computers and mobile and everything. तो आप उनके पास कितना पैसा है? So literacy basically this money management involves two things. One is पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, और दूसरा पैसा कहाँ जा रहा है. So both things are very. I mean, it's true for society, family. It's true for society. It's true for offices, even for government offices. Both are government offices. This is my 25th year of my service in IAS, and I've served in more than 17 departments, government of India and state government. So accepting 1 or 2 officers at the senior level and 1 or 2 officers who are in charge of the financial department, the people do not know what the budget of the department. So the financial literacy is for everyone. I mean, every employee should be knowing भाई आपके इस साल का बजट कितना है और इसके sources क्या है. Not only budget, what are the sources? Central से इतना आ रहा है, state से इतना आ रहा है, इतना हमारा contribution है, इतना CSR. We should know the sources, and the secondly, कहाँ? That is the very important. And then what's the saving? Because we should know saving also. That क्या करना है. So literacy should know these things. So it's actually about very समृद्ध नारी. Because बच्चों को पता ही नहीं चलता कि घर में किल्लत है ना. बच्चों को माँ बाप तो हमारे जो है वो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. वो राजा ट्रीट किया जाता है. इसके पीछे positive points also that children are always happy that they take their parents to very high. But negative side is that the pains which parents went through, and the children were not aware of that, and because of that, so that is why there is my personal feeling, and that this thing should be shared, and the children becomes in the age of say 10 years or 12 years of age. Everything should be shared with them also. Of course, in a very simple manner. केवल ये भी लगता था कि बच्चों को बता देंगे तो मालूम चल जाएगा कि चलो इनके पास इतने पैसे हैं, इतनी प्रॉपर्टी है, आपस में लड़ने लगेंगे. But I think another side of it, the story. But still, what I mean to say in simple terms, everybody should be know that वो जहाँ भी रह रहा है, काम कर रहा है, वहाँ पर total income कितना है, और total expenditure क्या है, and what are the heads, what are the areas where which is the rightful head of expenditure. And that is true of the nation also. As citizen of India, everybody should be knowing the broad financial contour of the country, and what is our income, national income, what is the expenditure, are we in debt, what is the foreign exchange reserve, and the basic thing. That's why I was discussing with Samachar that can we not form a small module for all these categories? I mean, say 1 page, 2 page module. I mean, that's a format. Figures will be filled up by the respective offices. ये बेसिक चीजें हैं जो सब ऑफिस को पता होना चाहिए. ये बेसिक चीजें हैं जो हर एक सिटीजन को पता होना चाहिए अबाउट द नेशन, अबाउट द कंट्री. ऑफ कोर्स बजट का हमारे इकोनॉमी सर्वे बजट का इज अ ह्यूज डॉक्यूमेंट, बट फॉर सिंपल लेमैन द बेसिक थिंग शुड बी नोइंग. बिकॉज समटाइम व्हाट हैपेंस, बिना जाने बुझे हम लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते रहते हैं चीज में. बट but we should be aware. That is my take on this. Of course, much was said about the prominence and of ladies, both in home and offices and everywhere. And incidentally, our finance minister is a very effective finance minister, being a lady. मैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में था, वहाँ भी हमारी मिनिस्टर थी फॉर ए लार्ज पीरियड टाइम, लेडी मिनिस्टर, एंड प्रेजेंटली ऑल्सो आई एम एजुकेशन सेक्रेटरी, देयर आल्सो वी हैव got lady minister. So what I feel that there are many good qualities, particularly these matters, where lady officers are much more capable of handling. Unfortunately, यहाँ as per एक भी lady नहीं है, यहाँ भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, there are hardly 4 or 5 lady audience, lady spectators or audiences here. But anyway, वो 5 जो है वो 50 के बराबर है, इसलिए मैं उनको कंपेरिजेट करता हूँ. बट व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को, बट स्टिल देयर इज अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो. अब लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अपने सर्विस में देखता हूँ, व्हेन आई प्रोग्रेस दैट वे. आप जो हमारा थीम रखा गया समृद्ध नारी वित्तीय समझदारी, बहुत बढ़िया है. हमारे यहाँ पर कुछ कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल से बैठे हुए हैं, एंड स्कूल एजुकेशन वाज आल्सो विद मी. So this is a week-long thing. So I would urge कि हमारे जितने भी पर्टिकुलर जो फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स हैं या कुछ हैं, उनको भी हम लोग बीच में यहाँ पे लाएं और उनको इसके बारे में बताएं. करिकुलम की बात हम लोग करते हैं, करिकुलम का पार्ट ये है ऑलरेडी. तो करिकुलम में थोड़ा लिटरेसी में पार्ट उसको डाल दिया गया है. जस्ट रीडिंग एट देयर रिपोर्ट दैट इंडियाज नेशनल स्ट्रेटजी फॉर फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन फॉर द 2025 which is ending now. It has formulated a forward-looking framework. A national strategy for financial education emphasizes the importance of empowering the younger generation with essential money management skills. इसका मैं थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि जब मेरे बच्चे करीब 10 साल के करीब हुए, मैं क्या करता था, मॉल में, कहीं शॉपिंग मॉल में जाता था, तो दोनों को 500 रुपए के नोट देता था. ये लोग 500 रुपए, अब देखो तुमको जो खरीदना है खरीदो. सो नाउ दोनों वैल्यू ऑफ मनी. आप वो नेचुरली ऊपर चीज देखते थे, ये 100 का अगर ये ले लेंगे तो 100 किसी में खर्च हो जाएगा, मेरे पास 400 ही बचेगा, एंड करीब 1 घंटे उनको छोड़ दिया. तो मैंने देख रहा था कि वो मेनी टाइम्स एंड दे पिक अप थिंग्स एंड दे लेफ्ट इट बैक इन, एंड देन फाइनली वो जो पास में मैं देखता था कि वो कम से कम 2-3 चीजें ऐसी वो लेते थे जो हमारे लिए होती थी. नहीं, ये डैडी आपके लिए, मम्मी आपके लिए, और बाकी अपने हिसाब से पसंद करते थे. सो दिस इज हाउ टू एजुकेट द यंग माइंड्स अबाउट द वैल्यू ऑफ मनी. तो ये मैंने देखा था कि आरबीआई थ्रू द नेशनल सेंटर फॉर फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन हैज बीन प्रमोटिंग फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी अमंग स्टूडेंट्स थ्रू वेरियस इनिशिएटिव्स एंड प्रोग्राम्स, such as integrating financial education in the school curriculum for classes 6 to 10. I'm sorry, I've not seen it. I will see it personally and see to it that how it is further improved. And J&K BOS has included chapters of financial education in curriculum of class 6 to 10. Very good. So J&K BOS has already taken this step with the help of RBI. So maybe, but the time is changing so fast. जैसे भी बात हुई थी UPI की और plastic money और paperless transaction, which is very common now. लोग हैं जो थोड़े बहुत नोट रखते हैं पैसे पॉकेट में, उसके बिना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है 100-200 रुपए, बट बाकी आई थिंक 35-40 से कम उम्र जितने लोग हैं वो करते हैं पैसे, एंड दिस इज वेरी गुड. आई मीन दैट इज द साइन ऑफ. सो आई थिंक विद these words I really again congratulate the organizers, the RBI and other teams. I'm happy that NABARD and J&K Bank all are together in this venture, and literacy include the as much as application of IT as possible. Because this is IT, because with the help of IT things become much easy. And inclusion means inclusion of all. Inclusion of all. I mean not only the householders, even say for example the servants in the household. The servants should also be knowing what is the total saving, what is the total budget, and that's true of every big corporate organizations. So again, not only the board of management, but all staff down the line, they should be aware of this. What I wanted to say. Thank you very much, and namaskar.
Definitely, I'm getting it.
I would like to request I would like to request all the guests present here to kindly display these posters prominently in their branches, ATMs, and other suitable platforms. Let us work together to spread the message of financial literacy and empowerment, especially among women, to have a future where everyone has the knowledge, skills, and opportunities to achieve financial aspirations. Your support in disseminating this information will be instrumental in making Financial Literacy Week a resounding success. All of you to please pay attention. Some videos pertaining to financial awareness are being displayed here.